Hey traders, so let's talk about Grass crypto. This week it's down about 4%, currently sitting near $0.28, and from its all-time high, it's already dropped around 60%. Now here's where it gets interesting. Trading volume is falling too, which means less hype, less activity. So the big question is this the calm before a bullish breakout, or just a trap before another drop? If buyers step back in, we could see a strong recovery move. But if volume stays low, price might continue to struggle. Right now, this is a wait and watch zone. What do you think? Bullish comeback or bull trap? Let me know. Grass crypto fresh trading signals are in, and solid targets just dropped. We've got clear entry and exit zones lined up to help you catch the move. Want the full setup? Check out our Patreon. Link is in the description and comments. Watch our full price analysis in the video. Don't forget to comment and share. Disclaimer, please do your own research. This content is for informational purposes only and is not financial advice.